Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest tech gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of connectivity with the Cable Matters Retractable HDMI Cable. If you're on the hunt for the best portable HDMI cable out there, look no further. Now, let's talk about portability. This HDMI cable is a game changer for anyone on the go. Whether you're a professional bouncing between meetings or a student hopping from class to class, this retractable cable is your new best friend. What sets this cable apart? Well, for starters, it's tangle-free and retractable. No more dealing with messy cables cluttering up your bag or workspace. With just a quick pull, it extends to the perfect length, and when you're done, simply retract it back into its compact spool. But wait, there's more. This cable is compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, monitors, projectors, and more. Whether you're giving a presentation, streaming your favorite show, or gaming on the big screen, this cable has you covered. Now, let's talk about video quality. With support for 4K resolution and HDR, you'll experience stunning visuals like never before. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or editing photos, every detail will pop with clarity and vibrancy. And let's not forget about audio. This cable supports uncompressed digital 7.1, 5.1, or 2 channels audio, giving you immersive sound to match the stunning visuals. Plus, with features like Audio Return Channel, you can control the audio with a single remote. Now, you might be wondering about durability. Rest assured, this cable is built to last. With molded connectors, easy grip treads, and strain relief, it can handle frequent use without missing a beat. Plus, it's small and sturdy, making it the perfect travel companion. So there you have it, folks. The Cable Matters Retractable HDMI Cable is the best portable HDMI cable on the market, hands down. With its tangle-free design, high-quality video and audio support, and unmatched durability, it's a must-have for anyone on the go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy connecting!